Okay, so we have log base 3 of 86. So they want us to evaluate on our calculator. Well, how are we going to do this on our calculator? You don't have a log base 3 button on your calculator, probably. And some of the new ones do, but most still don't. You have two buttons on your calculator. You have a log button and you have an LN button. This one means log base 10. This one means LN, which is log base E, right? Because every log really has a base. There's no such thing as a log without a base. So if it's not showing its base, if it's the regular log word, the base is 10. If it's the LN word, that's the natural log, the base is E. So you don't have a log base 3 on your calculator. All you have is a log base 10 and a log base E. How are you going to do a log base 3? Well, if you look at the log properties, here it is. It's called the change of base property. It says, look, if you have any kind of base, you can take that base, the bottom, and put it on the bottom, and put the other one on the top, and pick a new base B, or no base at all, which is really 10. Do you see what that log property is saying? That change of base property? It's saying if you have one log, you can make it two logs divided. The base part goes to the bottom. Makes sense, right? The base of anything is the bottom of it. The X part goes to the top. And they both have a new base that wasn't here before. See, there's no B over here. Like that. You can change it to a new base. See how the base here is A for that log, and now that both the logs have a new base B. That's what we call it, change of base. It changed the base from A to B. You just put the old base on the bottom and that part on the top, and then have some new base B. Okay, that's what you do here. You say, oh, I don't have a log base 3, so I'm going to change it. I'm just going to make it log base 10, top and bottom. And you grab the old base and you stick it on the bottom and this part on the top. So in other words, that's just the normal log button on your calculator. The normal log button is log base 10. So now you just hit the normal log button on your calculator. Just hit log 86 and then divide by log of 3. That is base 10 automatically. It doesn't show its base 10. So I'm going to do it right now. And I'm getting 4.05452 They said round to 4 places. 1, 2, 3, boom, right there. So there it is, 4.0545. So again, how do we do it? If you have some log of a weird base that's not in your calculator, all that's on your calculator is 10 and E. Then change to 10, change the base to 10, put the old base on the bottom. That makes sense. Bases are bottom, the other part on the top. And just do it on your calculator. And so there's the answer. Change of base formula.